Chafon M3 multi-charging cable. Different than what I normally do here. And Chafon M3, it's a magnetic 4-in-1 cable. Go up, check it out. Oh, very nice, sleek looking packaging there. Got a little loop here. Oh, magnetic. You can put your little keychain behind here. Got a little silicone cover. Boom. Very easy, very sleek, very well made. I'm really impressed. Oh, it's got a little magnet right there. You got your iPhone charger. And your standard USB-A. It's a little cable, nice little extension here. It's something that's good for not having to worry about carrying around all those big old cables. 4-in-1. You got a Type-C. 1. Another Type-C. 2. Very well made. I'm very impressed with the idea of this. Boom. 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 Cool. There's your 4-in-1. Really cool. So you got your Type A, your USB-A, USB-C, another USB-C. Very, very smart. I must admit, very smart. Because you have something like this, which is a portable charging station. And you have to charge your phone. Especially in this case, when you have a nice charging station. It's got 2 Type A's. You got a fast charger. You got a Type-C. Quick Type-C connection, and then you have your micro USB connection right there. So if you got this right here and you want to charge your cell phone, you got your Type-C right here. Boom. And then you have your Type-C right here. Boom. And there you go, just charging. That's your first USB-C to USB-C. And then if you want to, and you don't want to use your USB-C, right? Plug that into your fast charger. Boom. And then you have your charging over here. Type A to USB-C over here. USB-C, USB-C, and there you go. Charging on that. Boy, that's really cool looking, I must admit. Boom. And if you got to close that right there, and plug that baby right in. It's charging again. There you go. 4-in-1. Not only that, if you want to go ahead and you got some data files on the phone there. You click, you got data files on this thing. You want to access. Boom. Removable. Hit your open files. And there you go. These are your access to all your files that are on your phone. Nice little connection. You don't have to worry about the big old bulky cables that you're carrying around. You got this sucker right here you got to carry around on your keychain. And not only that, you got the 4-in-1 set up so that you don't have to have 3 or 4 different cables lying around, right? There you go. Very well made. pull that out of there. Pull that out of there. Connect that. Connect that. Your two little cables. Get your little silicone cover. Boom. You got to understand, having a portable situation like this, you don't have to worry about, like I said, carrying around all those different cables. It's a this is the Chafon M3 is a it's a 60 watt 4-in-1 multi-charging cable. It's got a zinc alloy, which is this magnetic keychain right here. Fast charge duals, Type C's, IP connectors for portable charger, MacBook, phones, all different types of charging. You got your portable charging situation right here, and you have all your different connectors, which goes with all these different connectors. So there you go. I like the plastic extended protection on this little gel cap right here. It's got a nylon band, protective gel cap, and the zinc alloy housing. The housing on this thing is very well made. So there you go, Starboard Bow. The Chafon M3. Magnetic 4-in-1 cable. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. And don't forget to comment. I'll have all the information on this Chafon M3 in the description of this video. And please comment. Let me know what you guys think. Have a great day.